Be careful where you step in nature. I almost stepped on this guy. Can anybody see that right there? Tail in, and then all the way up there we had a head. I almost stepped on this guy. He's gonna lay extremely still right there because he doesn't know what's going on. But this is his tail back here. And then here he is, he's starting to move right there. He's rattling his tail. You can see his tail rattling there. He's alerted I'm here. Sounds like a rattlesnake. It's a big, big rat snake. He's letting me know to stay back, and I will oblige him and stay back a little bit. He's a big boy. He looks like he's ready to strike, but I don't know if he's about to shed. I can see it over his left eye, or maybe that's an eye injury. But this right here is a huge rat snake, most likely looking for rats. I'm out here looking for animals like him. And like I say, focus on that right eye. You can see his right eye is a little bit blurred. That means he's getting ready to shed. But yeah, be careful where you step at. This guy, I was just about to take a step. I seen him out there. I'm glad I didn't have my shades on. He's watching me. I'm watching him. As always, be safe out there. It's Middle Class Matt. I'm outside, and nature is too.